Plum plump, plum plump. Geez, say that 5 times. Plum plump, plum plump, plum plump, plum plump, plum plump, plum plump. Maybe I can't do it. You know what? That's talent right there. Plum Plump is for all skin types, and its concerns are for dullness, dryness, hydration, and fine lines and wrinkles. So that's basically what this is supposed to do. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Welcome to my first skincare video talking about 𝗀𝗄𝘅. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and I've been dying to try this. I've been honestly dying to try any 𝗀𝗄𝘅 product after seeing that watermelon spritzer, like little spray. I guess I was just never convinced enough to invest in 𝗀𝗄𝘅.
Until now.
I'm a sucker for a serum, and there's something about this product that really convinced me. Now, I've been using this for about 3 weeks, and I'm dying to share my experience. Today's video is going to be a simple breakthrough of this product. I'm not a paid affiliate or a sponsor of 𝗀𝗄𝘅, so this is going to be an organic, real, and honest review, as all my reviews are. So if you're interested in hearing about the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum by 𝗀𝗄𝘅, then keep on watching. Serum hyaluronique. That is such a more bougere way of saying like hyaluronic. It says right there, Serum hyaluronique. It's a pretty name actually. It's my daughter's first name is gonna be hyaluronique. Could you imagine, hey, hyaluronique, get back here, make your bed. I'm serious when I say I've been wanting to try a 𝗀𝗄𝘅 product for the longest time. I don't know what it was about this brand that I just never felt convinced enough to give their products a go. Maybe it's the fact that I see a lot of influencers using their products with affiliate codes and whatnot. So I guess when I see that too often and it's like overly saturated within the beauty community, it makes me feel like
An opinion is bought.
So my opinion was not bought. I actually spent like $42 I think on this. It was a little hefty. Now the thing is, for a hyaluronic serum, you can get a lot on there. There's so many on the market, guys, that this price was a lot for a hyaluronic acid product. But aside from hyaluronic acid, this contains tons of other beneficial ingredients. I'm gonna list them all right here if you guys want to check them out for yourself. Obviously, this has plum in it, which is a component that provides vitamin C. And vitamin C is very beneficial to the skin, guys. Brightens, awakens, and also helps retain moisture, as well as a hyaluronic acid. That is, well, the main reason why I got this, because I was on the market for a hyaluronic acid product, and that ingredient is very
necessary.
And what I find it very helpful for me is because living in Pennsylvania, we go through seasons. So we go through very cold, we go through not so cold, we go through warm, and we go through hot. So our temperature is consistently changing throughout the year here. So I always have to stay hydrated. We all should, but especially if you live in an environment where your like weather is consistently changing. So that's why I wanted a really good hyaluronic acid product, because we're going into the fall and I just needed one. So let's talk about this packaging though, because to be honest, 𝗀𝗄𝘅, you really kill it when it comes to packaging. It's a glass jar, it's unique, kind of does give the shape of a plum. Has like a little indent right there, and we got this cool pink color, and it's also a little spritzer right here. I don't know what you want to call this top, but basically, oh, a pump. It's called a pump. Love that. We live for that. I do have the box as well. I always save onto these for the whole presentation of a review. Box is very sick, and again, 𝗀𝗄𝘅 never disappoints when it comes to packaging. Although this is my first product I got from them, I must say, like, I always see them on the shelf at Sephora, which is where I got this. You can also get the products at 𝗀𝗄𝘅.com, but Sephora was convenient. It was very challenging shopping at Sephora because you can't test any of their products, and I at least wanted to try the consistency of this serum. You cannot do that, so whatever. Also, the inside is pretty cool. It does say,
Hey glow gang, visibly plump skin with juicy plum and hyaluronic acid.
and like the inside is very appealing. Also another saying here, repulp visible. Oh, that's not English. Don't have to worry about that. Okay. So, next. Now, this is definitely a very, very, very unique consistency, which is probably one of my favorite characteristics about this serum. It's not just a water-based product. It feels very silicone-y and kind of tacky in a way on the skin. So let's go ahead and put this on. My hands are clean. My face is actually clean. I'm getting ready to vlog for the day, by the way. Check that out later on. And here we go. There's one pump, and I kind of just do like 1.5, to be honest. It is liquidy enough to disperse throughout the face pretty simply. And it just has such a weird like gel-like feeling. I really like it. One there, and one for the 5 finger. Okay, let me just glide this on. Really, it just glides on the skin. This goes on so easily. And it has a very minimal smell. It's not like an overwhelming fragrance. It's kind of like a little fruity, but nothing major. That's what I like about it. It's not like highly potent or anything. So we had that on the skin. One thing that I've noticed too is this is very, like I said, tacky. You gotta let this dry down and do its thing for at least like a minute or two. I mean, that's per my experience, and I'm very guilty of putting on some skincare products and picking up a cat and giving it a hug or a kiss. And last time I did that, while I was waiting for this to dry, I got cat hair stuck to my face. It was not fun. So it is tacky, it is sticky. Let it dry a bit. Also, when I have this on, it does give me a nice glow. It's very, as you can see, it does give you a nice little dewy look, which I appreciate. And when you put your moisturizer on top of this, it really does, I feel like, make the moisturizer last longer. There's something about this serum that really does promote moisture and hydration. So I definitely appreciate that. And right now is definitely the time of the year where I need to focus on hydration. So I appreciate this, guys. I mean, I don't really want to dig too much into this other than I'm going to read you the description from glowrecipe.com describing the product, just because I feel like we should check that out. It's kind of what actually convinced me, not going to lie. So it says here, plump your skin by filling each skin layer with intense, juicy hydration with the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Its silky water gel texture is infused with juicy plum and 5 molecular weights of non-gen hyaluronic acid that fill each skin layer with hydration for visibly plumper skin. Combined with vegan collagen and vegan silk protein, this lightweight oil-free serum deeply hydrates dry, dehydrated skin and diminishes the appearance of visible fine lines for healthy, bouncing, youthful skin. Collagen, also has collagen, guys. Forgot to mention that before too. Love collagen, need collagen. It's a necessity. It's necessary. Necessary, right? Yeah. It's necessary. So, especially if you want to stay like youthful. But pretty much everything within the description is a mood, it's a vibe, it's an experience, and it's exactly what I experienced. So I have to say, this is a bit pricey, and for only using this a few weeks, it's worth it. As far as any visible differences go with my skin, I mean, it definitely looks more dewy. I wouldn't say that it filled any fine lines because I'm kind of really not battling fine lines right now. Luckily I take great care of my skin. I don't really have so much, sun damage or anything. So I haven't noticed any like major difference within my texture or anything other than it feeling smooth. That's obviously, a difference. It's not visible, but feels pretty nice. And products like this aren't just for like major cosmetic like differences. So like I wouldn't have the expectation of buying this and thinking it's gonna help out with major wrinkles or anything. I would really talk to dermatologists about a product like that. This is on a shelf at Sephora, so it's not a miracle worker, but it is a good product to use, especially because it has beneficial ingredients. 𝗀𝗏recipe, I'm not disappointed with my first purchase from your company. I'm very happy that this was my first impression. And who knows, maybe now I'll check out other products from 𝗀𝗏recipe. Again, guys, my review today, my experience, my tutorial, my everything is natural, it's organic, and it is completely my thoughts, not purchased. Know that. So I'm very happy to share this, and that's pretty much it for this review, guys. Hopefully you're having a great day. I'm very excited to start my vlog. By the way, guys, my channel here, I talk a lot about skincare, grooming, fashion, and more leaning towards lifestyle these days. I love just sharing my experience with you all and bringing you along on my journey of life. That's pretty much it. And there's more to life than skincare, so if I have an outlet on this channel and people can relate to me and have fun, might as well share it. So I'm very excited about that. By the way, I just got back from Sleepy Hollow, New York, and I did a vlog about that. That was so much fun, and this is my New York Starbucks cup. I collect the travel mugs from Starbucks, and how cool is this? The only other red travel mug that I have is from New Jersey, and now I have a red New York one, so it's pretty cool. Also, I am featured as an extra in Gabby DiMartino's Blood Queens series on YouTube, and it's premiering October 31st. You guys stay tuned for that. I'm so excited to be a part of this iconic series. It's actually a spinoff of Scream Queens, and I live for that because Scream Queens was iconic, right? Legendary. So I'm gonna wrap up this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully I informed you about a product that maybe you were curious about, maybe you didn't know about. Who knows? But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell. That is very important. If you don't click that, it means you will not be notified whenever I upload a video. And my Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆 if you want to follow me in there as well. Until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.